Yo, what is up, everyone? Today we're gonna check out the little Uzi, or I'm just gonna say this, the machine pistol. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's start the video. All right, I just found the new Uzi or machine pistol. Okay, I'm gonna check this out, and I'm gonna upgrade it. Don't worry. I only know where one area is, and it's non-zone. Okay. So, new machine pistol. Ooh, daily deal. I almost forgot about that one. Let's see. New machine pistol. 10. Okay, so it sounds, I don't know what it sounds like. Real, it like sounds so good, but also so terrible. A lot of people are using the new machine pistols or Uzis. Oh. Drop a like, and we will get a better Uzi or machine pistol. Ah, you guys did not. That's fun. Now, I'll try now. Let's do it. You guys did it. Thanks. Oh. Is there like a, there used to be a thing where you can just, okay, so we got Uzi. Come on, stop. Come on. So yes, we found the Uzi. It's also in creative. So yeah. So yeah, Uzi or the machine pistol. I like to call it the Uzi because it looks like the Uzi. Oh, this is a risk. What the frick is this? Oh my god, there's so many build fights. Okay. So. Okay. Oh, tilted with the Uzi. Oh my god. What? I'm getting shot at, bro. What the frick is your problem? Bro! What the frick is your problem? What is he even shooting me with? Oh, frick. Oh, frick, no. So here's the thing. I landed at the Joneses, so I went over here. I went over here, and right here. Huh. I'm like going like across the whole entire map, bro. I'm just gonna do some. Okay. Yeah, I just missed all of that. Oh god, I should probably not be in this one. My god, this gun does a lot to build. Oh my goodness. 10 damage. Wait, how much does it do? 16. If you get close. Dang it. Well, that's the Uzi. That is the Uzi. It's pretty good, really. What I think about it, it's not the best in my opinion. It can do like a little buff, but that's just my opinion. And like, who knows? I could be way better with it. So make sure to like and subscribe. We're so close to 70 subscribers, bro. Literally, so close. We're so close to 70 subscribers. Make sure to like and subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. I know this is a little bit of a short video, but see you guys in the next one. Bye. Alright, I got it again. Okay. So the other part of the other video, not this part, but the other, that was my first reaction to, this is just in general. So,
like, how you feel about it?
Yeah, that was the other one. It's gonna be in the same video, but like, yeah.
No, I might be the first person to watch it.
Yeah. Who knows?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Mr. Tomato Head scared me. I thought there was a kid in there.
Are you filing again?
Oh, Mr. Potato tries. Come on.
I'm coming.
They're right there.
Oh wait, I have a sniper. I'm gonna save it from range.
Okay, I'm gonna try out.
The ego straight in.
Ooh, never mind that. This gun is good. Holy crap.
He's running. Knocking out guy.
Okay, maybe not.
I knocked his friend.
Which one?
I knocked the one that tried to run. I'm knocking. Crack him. Dead. Nice.
Okay, can I?
I'm gonna keep that.
Hello, Colombo.
Take this.
You probably
nope,
wanna...
that's my purple sniper. Save that thing. Oh wait, shield kick over here. I'm gonna start on that.
It's on. Dude, just kill it.
I need it. Yeah, I need it.
Here, I'll give him a little boost.
See if he's not doing anything good. Wait, he sorry, he's not good. I'm gonna rotate with Quabo them.
Another machine pistol. I'm surprised I didn't pick that up. You can have that.
They're really common, but
they're okay.
Okay, I'm going to zone.
Oh yeah, zone.
You see his combo.
Yeah. Oh god. I thought that was me. Oh my god. Boom.
I don't have the best shotgun. I only have a gray heavy, but kids right here.
Okay, I'll.
I almost jumped off the edge. Wait, there's another combo over here. I'm looking around for them. They might. Oh, I don't know where they are. I don't think I know where they are anymore. Getting shot at. 30 whites. Looking for the person that was shooting at him.
Cracked.
I see him.
You probably
Dying.
come with me. And this is some G's. Okay.
Oh, that SMG is good. That SMG is good. It destroyed me.
So that was my
What?
other reaction to. That's just my proper reaction to SMG. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.